Hi, this is Georgina Villasenor-Lee, and welcome to my critical assignment outline overview. The agency I've selected for the critical assignment is the City of Riverside, and they have a lot of information online on the Code of Ethics that was established through a city ordinance. And what I've discovered is that they also have a board that oversees and enforces the code and accepts or reviews violations of the Code of Ethics. In fact, I think there was at some point a couple of years ago an article in the paper when there was some chaos between the council itself and all kinds of allegations of violations of the Code of Ethics by council members who weren't getting along. But what I've realized is that really the Code of Ethics applies more so to elected officials, the city council, and individuals who are appointed to boards, commissions, and committees. So this will actually be an opportunity for me to provide recommendations in the paper itself. In terms of the compliance versus value-based training, I definitely believe it would be beneficial to have a mix of the two. And so my thesis states the following. To ensure fair operations that gain and maintain the public's trust, it is essential for local government agencies like the City of Riverside to establish an ethics program that incorporates both compliance and value-based training for employees and elected officials. So some of the topics I will touch on is the importance of providing training that incorporates practical real-life examples, because naturally humans, we are irrational and it's hard to predict our behavior. So we need to make sure that training actually provides examples. And so I'll touch on the virtue theory there, the ethics problem-solving model, and make some recommendations on how they can incorporate that into their existing employee training program. Then I will also discuss how important it is for the training to complement a code of ethics, which is really like a roadmap, the tangible aspect of all of this. And so I will touch on compliance-based training, the importance of having an enforcement office, and then communication of the expected norms and values. And then lastly, I'll also discuss the how important it is to have an organizational culture as well. So I'll discuss under this topic value-based training along with utilitarianism, and then some additional recommendations in that respect. So I am looking forward to this paper. It's great information that we've learned, and it's time to go ahead and apply it. Thank you for allowing me the opportunity to submit this. I apologize that it's late. Been dealing with my husband's continuing health problems, but we are pulling through, and I'm looking forward to finishing this class off.